Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to find Umbracrux Dagger in Diablo 4 game. So let's get started. You can find Umbracrux Dagger as incredibly rare drop from Virtues and Hell Tides, Nightmare dungeons or any places in Sanctuary that grant loots. The best place to find unique weapon is from the rewards of Infernal Hordes introduced in Season 5 words. You collect from hordes help unlock chests containing rare gear after defeating multiple enemy waves and bosses. The harder you make infernal hordes, the more likely the Umbracrux dagger will appear as loot when you tear through round of enemy waves. Hell breaches in Diablo 4 on lower difficulty where tiers can help in prepare for tougher hordes which only exist on world tier 3 and 4. While and odds of getting this specific decker are low, you can always try to do hordes again to farm and other rewards. So guys, this is the tip. Usually just from infernal hordes rewards, your character will items pertaining to their class, and if you challenge horde with rogue characters, you have a higher chance of getting the unracked dagger. So, pursuing season 5 storyline and will put you on a path leading dagger since you have to complete seasonal content as guest. Following mission tied to this season events could be great way to earn the unbrackets early, and if you already have a strong will, try to explore every side quest new to the game to see if you can get a lucky draw from something outside of Infernal Hordes. If you have another unique item and you also break it down to salvage resplendent spark and which can be used to craft the unbracked dagger, simply speak to an alchemist vendor to craft the mythic unique item in Diablo 4 using other unique or gears you may have earned in the hordes. The spark is extremely hard to find, and so this may be an option you use as a last resort. And I hope guys you understand that how to find Unbracked Stagger in Diablo 4 game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and I will see you guys in the next video.